Just a quick update here on the 1 minute chart and how you can use the central command cheat code overlays for scalping. So basically with higher leverage, these trades on the 1 minute chart can take anywhere from minutes to several hours. So basically day trading, and it's also perfect for these conditions, usually with the exception of major news events. So for example, if some major geopolitical event comes out, then these overlays will not be as accurate on the 1 minute chart because it's so zoomed in, right? So generally speaking, we can catch $500 to $1,000 moves under normal market conditions. But, you know, like if Trump were to tweet something and the whole market pumps or dumps several $1,000s, well, you know, just like with anything, if you're too zoomed in, you could have issues. But other than that, it is absolutely awesome. And how I use it is the following, okay? So it works the same. You go into our central command trading terminal. At this point, you've probably already signed up. If not, it's 100% free. Sign up, connect your Blowfin account. You'll get all the instructions for that. The link is down in the description below. Go to the smart overlays, one-click overlays, range deviation, EMA ribbon. We select the 1 minute chart over here with Bitcoin. And you can see it's very, very simple. So blue means no shorting. Number 2, it means that potentially close any open shorts that you have. And number 3 is how I use it. This is for the trading, is we have the blue, we wait for the EMA ribbon flip over here. You can see the price gets above it and there is a cross here. That is basically the entry. The stop is below the blue and we hold it until the first sign of red. You can potentially hold it a little bit longer. As you can see, there's more room for upside, but to be safe, if you get out at that point, and you can see the move from this point, if you'd gotten in at around 60,000 and you would have gotten out at the first signs of red over here, well, that's about a $750 move to the upside on the 1 minute chart. If you're taking that with some decent size, you know, 50x leverage, whatever, perfect over there. And the same thing just happened here. You can see here, we have red, but that is not the sign to short. So it's a warning sign. Number 1, not to be longing over here. Okay, that's not the right thing. Number 2, it's a sign to start closing the longs that you might already have open, which I just explained. And number 3, we wait for the EMA ribbon cross, which we just had over here after the red for a short. That's how I'm using this. And as you can see here, so we had the red, right? Here it wasn't a signal yet because it was still above the ribbon. That's why we still got the squeeze, but it was red again. And now price has dropped below the ribbon and we got the EMA ribbon across. And you can see even if you entered over here, like right now, technically stop could be over there and we would potentially be targeting these lows over here, or at least until it turns blue again. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pause this. We're going to see how this plays out, and if this indeed, when it turns blue, if it could have caught a nice few $100 move, that would be absolutely perfect. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to guess it's about an hour later, and just purely to finish up the video, actually it's not even already at that point, but you can see this is already now back at 60. It basically hit 60,000 here. So if we would have entered here at the EMA ribbon flip where I was talking about earlier, about 60,500, well, that's almost a $500 move. If you would have shorted, you can take profit. And again, the actual exit signal would be when we start to get blue, right? We still haven't had the first blue yet. You can see the EMA ribbon is nicely holding here. So this is nice. So at this point, we could either just exit here and that's a nice $500 move, or you know, you could move your stop to break even or maybe even lower it down, because at this point we shouldn't get back above even the EMA ribbon highs. You know, even if it moves higher, we need this to turn blue, and that would be the actual exit signal. And again, this is just completely in real time, a random day, 1 minute chart. I just caught this for you in real time. $500 move. If you're doing this with decent size, that can make you thousands or tens of thousands of dollars. And you can see even here, there we go, just a little dip below 60K. Absolutely beautiful. This is 100% free, guys. Can you believe it? We have been working on this for over a year. It's the combined knowledge of over a decade worth of trading experience from multiple experienced traders, including myself. We're building this to give you as the retail trader an edge, obviously building it for ourselves too, because you can see how well it works. But no more gambling, no more guessing, purely data-driven decisions based on the price action. It has nothing to do with emotions, how we're feeling, whether we're tired or not. No, these overlays, they are based on price and they will show up. This works for you 24/7. It has no bias, bull or bear. It shows blue when it's designed to do so, and it shows red when it is overbought. And you can see how beautifully this works even on the 1 minute chart. And guys, this works on pretty much everything here. You can see it works on crypto, equities, indices, commodities, gold and silver, charts ranging from the 1 minute, like I just showed you, all the way up to the daily, the 3-day, the weekly, and it is all still 100% free. The details are in the description down below. You can actually connect your Blofin exchange account to this via API 100% securely. We don't touch your funds, but then you can trade through Blofin, and you can actually trade directly on the terminal once it's connected with your funds in your Blofin futures account, and you can just buy long and short based here on the actual terminal itself. Super cool. All the details are in the description down below, and you can see here we're getting a bit of an acceleration. How well does this work? That's just a $500 move caught for you here in real time to show you how this works over and over and over again, and you can very easily do this for yourself. So go and sign up. Details in the description down below, and I hope this changes your trading as it has for me and many people who use this. It's a massive, massive game changer.